Hi, this is Auntie Jenny. This is how I make my stir fry with glow sea moss as a thickener. I will enjoy. I have my assortment of vegetable here. I just assorted because I like my carrots to just put in maybe about a minute, and also my string beans. And I love to put some chickpea in there because I feel when I eat this, I feel not full. When I add this, I feel much fuller. So, and also I like hemp seed in mine, just for garnishing, and it tastes really good also. Also, I have some green onions for my garden. So we're gonna garnish with this. So let's get started. Now my oil is hot. I add some sesame oil to my oil. Also, I don't like it to be too hot, so I could lower the heat right now, and I could put in my onion, my garlic, and my ginger. In here, I add my chickpeas. Also my carrots and my string beans. I just like these to saute together. Put the cover on for a few minutes. When you get a beautiful color like this, you add your rest ingredients. You see the carrot get a better color. Now you could add all the ingredients. Because I don't like my vegetables hard. I like my vegetables soft, my vegetables hard. Very good. Bring the stove back. Bring the stove back on high. Whatever vegetables you guys want to have in here, let's raid your fridge. There's like a lot of vegetables. It looks good, right guys? Now I'm going to add some black pepper to it. No, I don't add a teaspoon or tablespoon, I just measure, eyeball it. Bubble for like a minute. Add the salt. I don't really like to add salt in vegetables, but I'm going to add a little. This time you can lower the heat on medium. You could add your stir fry sauce. It's easy as that. And it's all finished. It's been 10 minutes, the temperature has been dropped. So we could add the sea moss. 1, 2, I'll put 3. Just because I'm feeling happy. Also, I'm going to feel more happy. So I'm going to go in, I'll leave some for garnishing. See, it have a nice glow. It also would work as a thickener. Thickener sauce. Very tasty too. It's really good. Hey guys, buy your glow sea moss at replenishthyself.com using promo code Jenny to get 10% off your purchase of sea moss gel, which I use all the time, my tea, my coffee, my smoothies, my food, capsule, gummies, hair, skin and nails, and also your dry sea moss.